There's really not a much better way to, when you come home from work, a better thing than having something like this on your front porch. White box with some Griot tape on it. That means I ordered something. And I wasn't going to videotape me order or unboxing this, but there's a couple things in here I want to show you that I got and the reasoning as to why I got it. Okay. And they package their stuff very well. A little too well, actually. But nothing's ever showed up damaged. Not sure what's in here. Something's wrapped up in here. First item. Obviously I know what all this is. Interior detailer. Now just notice something on this bottle that they have done differently. See what it says there? Navigation screen safe. That wasn't on their last bottle of this. So anyways, interior detailer. And then I needed more interior cleaner. And this one says no dyes, no perfumes, and it's safe. This stuff I don't go through very quickly because I don't do a lot of interior work other than on my own personal vehicles. Every now and then, you know, I do my friends, family members, and, you know, coworkers' cars I detail. Every now and then they want me to do the inside, but usually not very often. It's usually just for my vehicles. Best of Show wash and wax. Now, if you watched my last video, I bought a gallon of this, and I have not used it yet. I just did the video yesterday. This one says Carnauba Wax Gloss. Right there. Anyways, I read on the back that it takes 1 ounce for every gallon of water, which is actually a lot for Griot's products because it is really thick. I don't know if the camera will pick that up or not, but this stuff is really thick. So pouring it was kind of, if I had to pour it, I was just going to spill it everywhere. And when I used to pour the super concentrated car wash, it would like dribble down the side of the gallon. So I bought a pump head for it from Griot's, and it worked okay, but one day I pumped it and it sprung out and it broke. So I bought something else. I bought this for that so I can just pop the top, put it in the, you know, my Griot's garage wash bucket. Easy to do instead of trying to tilt it over. And then I bought a 8 fluid ounce of their car wash, and this stuff was pretty cheap. It was like $4, I think. I bought this for my super concentrated car wash. Now, I don't know why they sent car wash. I don't know if that's right. I thought I ordered super concentrated car wash small bottle, but it doesn't matter. I'll use this and then I'll fill this back up for my super concentrated car wash. And that's why I bought the funnel kits. These are the funnels that screw on the top of here. Easy to fill. And then I bought some of these for my gallons. I have 2 gallons that don't have any of these on. And if you have any Griot's products at all, these little spigots or spouts, whatever they call them, these things are awesome for you if you buy gallons. Then of course their 32 ounce products come with a sprayer. Actually, are they 32 ounce? 35 fluid ounces. And then these were on clearance, speed shine cloths for $9.99. I just went ahead and got some more. I needed some anyways, and $10 for 3, and they're really good. No biggie here. Now this is the one thing I've never bought from them. These were on their website on clearance for $3.99. Ultra thick microfiber drying towel. So I ordered 3 of them since they're only $4 a piece on clearance. They're normally $16.99. They must be not, you know, buying any more of these or whatever. But it's supposed to be really good for like final wipe down after a car wash, and if I don't like them, I can still use them for, you know, the door sills drying and stuff like that. And you know, no big deal if I don't like it. But $3.99, I figured I'd buy those. So that is everything. That's everything I got. It's actually not everything that I got. It actually came with a Garage Handbook 447C. It's just a miniature version of their big handbooks. And then they sent me a thank you from Griot's Garage. Free 35 ounce heavy duty wheel cleaner for only on orders over $25. And then my receipt. And that's everything that was in the box.